Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Motorride Trails. So today we'll be traveling from Bangalore to Goa with around 650 kilometers, and the time is around 6:40. Leaving very late, not sure how long we'll take to reach there. I'll show you on the video. So we left very late today. We were supposed to leave by 4. Unfortunately, it was late. So, we still are yet to reach Chitradurga, and we still have another 374 kilometers to reach Goa. Now it shows us 7 hours more to reach there, and the time is around 9:50 a.m. Almost 10 o'clock. 7 hours means probably by 6 or 7 o'clock we might be reaching Goa. Too late. What if we left really late of work? So we are almost reaching Goa, so it is just 153 kilometers left, and the time is around 2 p.m. and shows another 3 hours to reach Goa. Alright, so we just had our lunch, and it's around 3:43 p.m. and we still have another 146 kilometers left to reach North Goa. So yeah, it should take another 3 hours to reach there, because this is all ghat roads, and you'll be moving slow itself. Because once you reach Goa, there are a lot of people, since it's peak season time. A lot of people will be in Goa, and there is a lot of traffic jams. Yep. So waiting to just directly reach the rooms. I don't think anything else will be possible today. nice cool breeze of the Ghats. The best feeling that you can get while traveling in the Ghat roads. The best. So like hill stations as well. It's soon as you start the climb, you start getting some fresh air and you get the chills. Yeah. Damn, this is the fourth railway gate crossing. This year the trip is very short, so it's like Wednesday to Sunday. Very, I mean, it's very few days to just travel in Goa itself. So there's no time to go to Danley as well because we're only spending one day in South Goa itself because of no time. But yeah, South Goa itself is such a nice place to be in. So since the Ghats, this Ghat road is so nice. I wanted to record front and back. So yeah, did try to connect the charging for the GoPro directly with the bike charger to see if this prevents um, the GoPro from having issues of turning off or not coming on. And signal is also gone on the phone. Should have downloaded the offline maps. Anyways, this road does not divert anywhere. You just follow the same route and you'll reach Goa. What is this? Dude, he picked up all the sand. A bit of a off-road. This is the correct route, and it does show 92 kilometers to Goa, but the road is slightly off-road. And Google Maps are giving a different direction to take, which is 114 kilometers extra. I mean, it was total of 114 kilometers. So we did ask someone the correct route. They said you can take this only. It's a little bad, but it's manageable. So we'll just take this. It can anyways connect to the same main road. Here and there, few bad roads. I think not really fast. this curve, the road will be good again. So yeah, while traveling this here and there happens. Alright, so we just got the location for the rooms. It's 66 kilometers to Goa, but then it's another few kilometers to the rooms. So now totally the kilometer shows as 86 kilometers. Alright, then so we just stopped for a small tea break, and now we are continuing. The sun has gone down. It's just a little bit more. Some more time that it might become dark as well, and we are still in the Ghats. So yeah, can't do anything. We are still riding in the night itself, and it's getting nice and chill as well because we are in the Ghats and surrounded by full trees and plants. We are getting nice cool breeze as well. So yeah, we did pass a checkpost right here. They did not stop or ask anything for the bike, but they do stop cars, and you have to pay an entry fee. Welcome to Goa. So we have just entered Goa, and the time is around 6:26. Yeah, it is already very late, and we just entered Goa. It's some fog. So yeah, we are just trying to reach Colombo because that's where our room is, and we are still 41 kilometers away. Damn. Yeah, today is a very, very, very long day of traveling. Alright, I think this is the turning where bikers need to take left. Bikes are prohibited on the bridge, so you need to go down from this bridge, and you have to go on a smaller bridge to cross over the sea. And there is the bridge, all lit up at night. Hey guys, so we finally reached Goa, and it's around 9 o'clock. So we just logged in, checked into the room, and yeah, it was a very long and tiring ride today. So there's nothing else that we can do for now. We probably only have dinner and go to sleep. Um, and tomorrow maybe we'll be showing. I'll be recording the other places to visit in Goa, and I will post my vlog too as well. So stay tuned. And if you like this video, the riding video from Bangalore to Goa, please do like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. All right. See you. Bye bye.